Okay, so let's get down to it. What is the best way to make money online? Now, if you're already doing this method, I'm sure you'll agree with me that the best way to make money online is through email marketing. And you know what? This is just my opinion, okay? There may be other methods out there that may be better, but for now, this is what I think is the best. You know, it works great for me. I'm able to support a family through email marketing, and it requires very little work. Okay, of course, sometimes I'll put in more hours because I want to grow my business, but most of the time I can just relax in this business. Okay, so now, what are the reasons why I think this is the best way to make money online? And I've listed a few of them here. One reason is that anybody can do this. At least I think anybody can do this as long as you're able to copy and paste or use a keyboard. You know, I think anybody can do this. And it's not as difficult as other business models out there. It's not like you're creating the next best-selling software where you have to create the next Facebook type app. Okay, you don't have to be a genius to apply this business model. Okay, another reason why I think it's the best method online is because it's a simple business model. Okay, the first step is you build the, well, you could break this down into three steps. First step, you build the funnel and the landing page. Okay, so this is where your potential leads land, okay, on the landing page or a squeeze page, and you offer them a free gift, such as an ebook, a video tutorial, or a free software. And again, you don't have to create any of these, okay, because you could buy or get for free the rights to give away these products online. They're just being sold everywhere, or you can find them for free online. So that's the first step, creating the funnel. Second step, drive traffic. Third step, emailing your subscribers. Okay. Once you do step one, then you only have to focus on two steps every day, which is just driving traffic and emailing your list. Okay. Another reason why I think this is the best method to making money online is that it can be done for free if you want, but of course it will be harder. Okay, so make sure that if you are using free tools to create your funnel and to uh, build a list using a free autoresponder system, make sure that you reinvest your money into paid tools once you start making money through this business model.